Welcome back to Motor Flux AI. Today, we're exploring the all-new 2026 Honda Luxury Motorhome, a perfect blend of futuristic design, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. From the very first glance, you can see Honda has completely redefined luxury travel with sleek lines and premium detailing. The exterior immediately grabs attention with its dual-tone, matte silver, and deep metallic black finish. Its smooth aerodynamic body, flush-mounted tinted windows, and full-width LED light bar give it a bold, futuristic road presence. Roof-mounted solar panels hint at eco-friendly capabilities, while the vertical rear LED lights complete its modern design. Looking at the side profile, Honda's precision engineering shines. Automated storage compartments are seamlessly integrated, giving the vehicle a clean, functional appearance. Its stable stance projects strength and elegance, perfect for long-distance journeys. Interior entry shot. Stepping inside, you're greeted with a spacious, open-concept lounge. Soft wooden textures, brushed metallic accents, and warm ambient lighting create a luxurious yet calming environment. Premium vegan leather seating wraps around the lounge, inviting you to relax after a long drive. Living area close-up. The living area is built for entertainment and comfort. A 55-inch retractable smart TV Bose 360-degree speakers and a voice-controlled environment system make every moment enjoyable. Every corner of the lounge reflects Honda's attention to both luxury and practicality. The kitchen is compact but highly functional. A full-size induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, microwave, and foldable marble countertop provide all essential cooking options. Automated storage drawers maximize space while keeping the interior sleek and minimalistic. The bathroom is surprisingly spacious for a motor. It features a rainfall shower, heated mirrors, and an eco-flush toilet. Premium finishes, soft lighting, and a clean layout make it feel like a hotel-quality bathroom on wheels. The bedroom is a sanctuary on the road. A king-size memory foam bed, panoramic roof window for stargazing, and hidden storage spaces create a cozy yet practical environment. Dual wireless charging pads and sound-insulated walls enhance convenience and comfort. The front cabin combines technology and ergonomics perfectly. Properly positioned driver and passenger seats with premium leather and adjustable settings provide maximum comfort. The steering wheel is aligned with the modern digital instrument cluster, and the large touchscreen Smart Travel OS panel controls the entire motor. Bright natural light floods the cabin, showcasing a futuristic, luxury interior. The 2026 Honda Motorhome features a 2.0-liter turbocharged hybrid engine paired with an electric motor, producing around 310 horsepower. Acceleration is smooth, highway cruising is stable, and the hybrid system provides excellent fuel efficiency. The electric Only mode allows silent operation, perfect for camping or night travel. Safety is a priority with Honda's ADAS 3.0 suite, autonomous emergency braking, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera provide complete confidence on the road. The auto parking assist makes maneuvering this large motorhome effortless, and remote app control lets you preheat, pre-cool, lock, or unlock the vehicle. Expected starting price for the 2026 Honda Motorhome is around $185,000, with fully loaded models reaching up to $235,000. Considering its advanced technology, luxury interiors, and Honda's legendary reliability, it's a very competitive choice in the luxury motorhome market. The 2026 Honda Motorhome delivers an impressive combination of comfort, performance, and advanced technology. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a long-distance adventure, Honda has created a motorhome that truly redefines what travel on the road can be. If you enjoyed this detailed walkthrough, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Motor Flux AI, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews. Thank you for watching.